Open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. In preferred DNS type 8888. In alternate DNS type 8844. If that didn't work, open Chrome. Click on Setting. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time. Go to Advanced tab. Select All Time. Select everything except password and other sign-in data. Press Clear Data. If that didn't work, open Start and type Setting. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Setting. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.